How to redeem codes in Pokémon Brick Bronze. So if you want to redeem codes in Pokémon Brick Bronze, then first make sure that you have the internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser and then search for redeem codes in Pokémon Brick Bronze. And after that, you need to scroll down and you'll get a lot of websites. So for example, I'll go with this one. After opening, now if you scroll down, then here you will have a lot of promo codes, so you can use these codes. Some codes might have been expired, so if one doesn't work, then you can go with the another one or the third one. Or you can also try all of these codes. So these are the codes, or these are the redeem codes. Now if you want to redeem, then it's the simple process. You need to click on the red Row Powers button on the left side of your screen and then type or paste a working Pokemon Bronzer Forever code into the gray codes box and hit the enter. And click on the screen to advance the dialog and then agree to save the game. In this way, you'll be able to redeem codes in your Pokemon Brick Bronze. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.